What up guys, we're back with another haircut tutorial, and today we have a flawless drop fade to go over, so let's get right into it. First up, with your preferred trimmer, create a baseline. Be sure to make both sides identical. Now you want to remove all excess hair underneath. For a cleaner look, use a shaver to remove all the stubble left behind. Next up, using your clipper, you want to open up the lever a little over halfway and create a 1/2 inch guideline all around. With the 1.5 open, create a full inch guideline. In this case, his hair wasn't too long, so I just went over what I thought needed to be cut. Now with your number 2 open, go up about another 1/2 inch, but try flicking out. This is so you won't create another guideline above. Using the number 3, just go over all the darkness so we make sure it's all even. Alright, now with no guard, close up the lever and hit that baseline halfway through the guideline. Open up the lever gradually as you keep going up. Guys, be extremely patient with this guideline as it does help you shape up the entire cut. You now want to slap on the half guard halfway open and create a 1/2 inch guideline. Open up the lever now and go up about another 1/2 inch. Using the number 1 open, flow over any little line you're able to see above that. Finally, with the lever open no guard, remove the last visible line you're able to see. Keep in mind, corners are a must if you want your fade to be looking detailed. Guys, here I just came back with the half guard to remove any dark areas above the lever open. Be sure to play around with the lever if needed. Guys, I just want to thank everyone who keeps up with the channel and stays up to date with my uploads. It truly means a lot and I really appreciate it. As you guys can see, I did one side for a full demonstration, but it's the exact same thing on the other side, so don't get confused. If you guys happen to be wondering where to get these translucent guards, make sure to visit MartyBlendz.com. Now towards the end, clip or overcomb anything you see that could potentially stick out on a day-to-day basis. You can also freehand or remove the slightest bits just so everything looks nice and flat. Now to top it off, I just use my blending shears for a nice smooth transition within the top portion and the darkness on the side. Using a light coat of hairspray to keep the hair in place, use your trimmer to line up and make sure to start in the center and work your way off to the sides. When lining up, be sure not to push back, but don't be scared to go up if you feel like you need to. Guys, here you have the final look of this beautiful drop fade. If you did enjoy this or learn anything from it today, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz and I'm out. Peace.